There's a golden retriever in my neighborhood who somehow memorized the city bus schedule. Every day at 4 p.m., he sits at the corner stop and waits. The bus driver always opens the door, gives him a treat, and then drives off. The dog doesn't even get on. He just wants his daily snack. One time the bus was late, and the dog actually started pacing, looking annoyed. Like, "Excuse me, you're cutting into my routine." Now all the regular passengers know him, and people joke that he's basically on payroll as the official morale officer.